everyone, it's Julia and welcome back to my channel. I have a haul. I bought some Bigz dyes on their Black Friday sale and I thought I'd share with you the ones that I picked out. Here's the website, it's Sizzix.com if any of you are interested. If you scroll right all the way down to the bottom, you can sign up for their newsletter, and they have sales throughout the year and they're really good prices on them. I get a lot of questions on where I pick up my dyes, and this is where I pick up a lot of them. I just wanted to share with you the ones that I picked up, and you're going to see these throughout the year in different projects that I'm going to be working on. The first one is this adorable bunny and moon. I thought it'd be really cute on shirts and little t-shirts. I have this little summer shop. I can do little t-shirts with it, but also maybe fabric covered journals. This dragonfly too, I have another dragonfly die, but I really like the size on this one, and I just thought that one has lots of possibilities. This next one is poinsettia. I'll use this in some of my felted fiber pins. I'll link that video down below. I recently shared a video on how I do my felted fiber pins. This one is just adorable too, and it's the tree and that little house I think would make wonderful pins, or even just a fabric collage. Here's the Tim Holtz tattered butterfly. This would be wonderful with cut out to make on a tag. This one too is the long weeds Tim Holtz, wonderful for fabric color, any nature theme, maybe a fabric covered journal. And then I also got the mechanicals, which is also a Tim Holtz. This one I think I will cut out using like a cork. I have cork that has a knit background or knit backing on it, so makes a wonderful cut edge that doesn't fray. Leather also would be wonderful for this one in a fabric collage, or making little necklaces maybe, or pendants. Bye for now, everybody. I have some pictures at the end. This is the Rabbit and Moon at sale price $6.90, regularly $22.90. And then the Mechanicals by Tim Holtz, the sale price was $14, the regular price $34.99. And the same with this one. This is the long stem number 2, $14.99, regularly $34.99. The poinsettia was $6.90, regularly $22.99. The Nordic Scene, $4.60, regularly $22.99. The Dragonfly, $5.75, regularly $22.99. And the Tattered Butterfly, $5.75, regularly $22.99. Thank you, everybody. I'll have more project videos after Christmas. Hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. Bye for now.